Ready to add air conditioning to your Bozeman, Montana home? Push the Easy button with a Ductless Mini Split air conditioner installed by Mountain Heating and Cooling. When you need AC and you want it fast, affordable, and effective, look for a Mitsubishi Mini Split. Today you can add ductless AC to one room, one area, or the whole house, because a ductless system is flexible and scalable in design. Going ductless in Bozeman is a smart choice because a ductless system does not require ductwork, so it can be installed in just about any home. Perfect for rooms that get too hot, master bedrooms, and spaces like attics, basements, and garages that get turned into living spaces. Do you heat your home with radiant heat or a boiler system? Good news, because today you can add air conditioning easily with a ductless heat pump. Forget about a window air conditioner because they're loud, clunky, and waste energy. Central AC requires ductwork, which can be messy and costly to install. Choose the easy AC solution. Choose Mountain Heating and Cooling, the top ductless mini split contractor in Bozeman, Montana. Call 406-586-4007 today.